battery is dead. Water pressure okay. Little bit rusty. Water leak. Little bit. No oil leak. And tires. 4 tires. They are scratch. A lot of scratch. No rust. There are 2 wings and scratch.インプレッサです。ちょっと待って。Engine is okay, and dashboard looks okay. Shift lever is here, and dash cam also here. Sheet okay. Floor mat, all floor mat missing. And the AC very cold. Rear seat okay. なんかちょっと待って。fog lamp cover. There are 2 fog lamp cover. Floor mat missing. Roof ventilation. And driver seat okay. No floor mat. And the battery is dead. Ventilation, paint damage. It's need polish. This paint okay. Maybe this one repainted. I can't see in the trunk because key wire is so short. Only key, no switch. ないよね。いや、なかったよ、インプレッサは。スクラッチ。タイヤ、トレッドクラック。
本日も立ち寄る落札をいただきますよう皆様のご参加をお願いいたします。それでは軽自動車コーナースタートいたします。1号車
すいません。バッテリー終わったら